So this is the SUNLU PLA, joiner, 3D printer, 3D printed filament joiner, if you will. So what we're going to do is I am taking this spool, which is almost empty, along with this spool, which is almost empty. We're going to take the two of them and combine them using this little machine right here. Super simple. It's just a matter of snipping the old filament from both ends to make sure you have a clean connection. The sleeves are included. You'll slide your filament into the sleeve, slide your other end into the other side of the sleeve, place that in the connector, push that down, and let that run. What this is going to do is it's going to heat up the two ends of the filament. It's going to let them connect, and then there's also a cutter included, which is going to remove that little shell skin that we used. It comes with an entire bag of sleeves, so multiple uses before you have to worry about replacing the bags. I'm going to let that run until it gets to 185. When it gets to 185, it's going to meld them. It'll actually make the notification letting you know that it's done. You have the option of up and down for your different types of filaments, as well as adjusting the temperatures. And we're almost at 185. You can see the temperature has been rising on its own. Almost there. And now we've got our beep and we're done. We can now open this. Our filament is now connected. You can then place it in your cutter on the back. You're going to press that down. That is going to help create a crease. That helps create the crease that you'll need to peel this off. And you'll see our filament is now joined, and we can now run this through the printer.